ngayon, usapang business tayo. After sabihin kaninang ni Vanessa na painlessly lower your intake sa sweets. Ngayon naman, we're going to talk about sweets. No? Pero this time naman, syempre dapat para maging kapaki-pakinabang, gawin natin business naman. Lalo-lalo na ngayon, Alma, umuulan, di ba? So nandito tayo ngayon, may mga kasama tayong mga bisita para gagawa kami ng chocolate clusters. No?
Okay, this is me.
I am Gail.
Gail, at si Rhea, Latina.
Yes.
Latina. Mga trainers sila, at the same time, mga pastry chefs sila. Okay?
Okay.
So, ano ginagawa natin?
What are we gonna make pala? What are we gonna make?
No, ano gagawin muna natin?
Well, we're actually melting the chocolate first.
Okay.
Pero yung product natin is chocolate clusters nga pala, no? And then, ngayon, first step is...
To melt the chocolate.
Okay.
Actually, ito yon. So, yan.
Okay. Ayun. So, meron na siyang ni-ready na melted chocolate before. Okay. Ang
Hindi
bilis
pala
na
direct
melt.
fire. Hindi pala direct fire yan.
No.
Kasi kung meron siyang water sa baba and then...
Kasi masusunog siya. Ano
Mhm.
po?
Oo. Tama.
Okay.
And then after that,
Yes.
so ang gagawin nyo, tatanggalin na natin siya sa fire. Ihahalo natin yung cornflakes.
Okay.
At saka,
What do we have here?
we
Cornflakes?
have cherries,
This
chopped
is-
cherries.
Okay.
So, chocolate,
And then
cornflakes,
also,
cherries.
we have almonds as well.
Okay.
Okay, so we're just gonna mix it together
Alright.
hanggang sa makot yung cornflakes natin and all of the ingredients hanggang sa mapuli blended lang siya.
Okay.
Okay? And then after that, we're gonna put it in a tray. So magsuscoop tayo sa tray.
Okay.
Gail, simple lang yung ginagawa nyo. Pero eto ba, di ba meron kayong upcoming seminar? Kailan yun?
Actually, for November 19,
This coming Saturday?
this coming Saturday,
Uh-huh.
from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m.,
Mhm.
we're going to hold a baking seminar.
Where?
Most especially at PTTC, Philippine Trade Training Center.
Alright.
It's at Rojas Boulevard,
Mhm.
near
World
the World
Trade
Trade
Center.
Center.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
And we're inviting everybody to join us kasi we're going to teach you how to make 10 different pastry recipes, especially
So,
for
including
this
this one?
holiday season. Including
Yes.
this one.
Simple,
Okay.
Mhm.
So,
And
ito
then-
pala, no frills, madali lang siya, i-melt lang yung chocolate.
Easy to bake lang siya.
Mm-mm.
And it will just take you approximately 15 minutes to do it.
Ang maganda
Alright.
dito, Telma, no, medyo nakakasawa na kasi the usual mga pastry available sa market.
Mm-mm.
So ngayon, bilang home bake, you're promoting home bake kasi, hindi ba?
Yes.
Lalo-lalo na this coming holiday season, syempre maraming gustong kumita, additional income. So yun ang
party.
pinopromote nyo.
Yes.
Yes.
Learn home baking and then at the same time, do to some business lalo na this coming holiday, medyo maraming mag-iisip ng pangregalo, everything. So, yan, isa sa suggestion nyo. Ano pa yung mga detalye ng seminar?
Actually, yung meron kaming fee, a minimal fee of 1,900 pesos only.
Pero ilang yan? Ilang product ang matututunan
10
nila?
recipes.
10 recipes.
Oo, that's including, meron kaming chocolate chip oatmeal cookies, we have decadent brownies, our
Right.
very special cream cheese frosting for
Mhm.
carrot cake. Tapos we also have cake pops, yung
Okay.
usong-uso ngayong cake pops na cake in a lollipop.
Alam mo, parang gusto ko lahat yung sinasabi mo.
Meron mga raisin nut bars,
Okay.
and meron din kami yung cookie mix in a jar,
Mhm.
wherein all the
Cookie mix.
ingredients for a cookie, we place them in a jar, tapos
Mhm.
may instructions, may recipe,
Mhm.
para yung guest or yung pagbibigyan mo ng regalo, they would just cream the butter and the sugar, tapos they'll just mix in
Tama.
the ingredients from the cookie jar.
Okay. Let me just ask, anong chocolate yung ginamit natin dito?
That is actually dark compound.
Yes, so
Dark
healthy.
chocolate.
So safe pala ako
Oo.
kumain. Hindi ako nagda-diabetes.
So, saan si Nicole? Kasi si Nicole lang
Oo.
warningan ka. Pero since sabihin mo na lang sa kanya, ano yan, dark chocolate siya.
Oo,
no?
dark chocolate. So safe.
Huwag mo na lang siyang bigyan din, kung ayaw niya.
Oo. Kaya Vanessa, safe ako, ha?
Tapos cornflakes pa.
Oo.
No, cornflakes
So wala kaming lahing
Tangka pa.
diabetes, kaya okay lang to. Okay,
Mm.
so what's next? Ano na yan? Ano na yung mini-melt niyo, Miss Miss
Well,
Rhea?
actually, ang pagkatapos niyan
Yes.
is we're gonna spoon it
Okay.
into the wax paper.
Like wala nang molder or
Wala
guide.
wala na siyang molder.
Okay.
Parang isi-scoop out mo lang siya.
Okay.
But it's that easy.
Mhm.
Okay, tapos before...
So that's one serving?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Actually, medyo malaki ang ating serving.
malaki pa ba
Ay,
yan?
kami naman kakain.
Yes.
Huwag mo kami tipa rin.
Naliliitan pa akong lagay na yan. Ba
Sabagay.
yan?
Well, depende talaga yun sa inyo. You can make it bigger if you want to.
Mhm.
You can make it into like a big, as a cookie.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ako suggestion ko dito, Alma, no?
Mm-mm.
Uso kasi ngayon yung mga bazaar this
Oo.
coming holiday season.
Yes.
So yung mga mami, yung mga gustong maghanap ng additional
ngayon
income, why not sali kayo sa bazaar and to have a very unique product
Yes.
such as this one. Kasi di ba sa mga bazaar, makikita mo dun, medyo common ng brownies eh.
Oo.
Common din like yung mga ensaymada.
Mm-mm.
So para maging kakaiba ka naman at wala kang masyadong competitor,
Yes.
gawa ka ng product na sa'yo lang. So such
Yes.
as this one, no?
So, pwede rin ito palang white chocolate, ano?
Yes. Tsaka Miss
Okay.
Alma,